One sunny afternoon, a group of children played in a park when they heard a faint squawking from the nearby trees. As they investigated, they discovered a colorful parrot, lost and frightened, perched on a branch. The kids quickly decided to band together, creating a plan to lure the parrot down with snacks and gentle coaxing. After some patience and teamwork, they successfully rescued the parrot, who eagerly hopped onto a child's shoulder. Joy filled the air as they contacted local shelters, ensuring the parrot would find its way back home to its family, highlighting the power of compassion and friendship.